The Razer Huntsman Mini Analog is a 60% keyboard that packs a serious punch. Its standout feature is the analog optical switches. These are your average switches. They allow for adjustable actuation points, meaning you can customize how far down you need to press a key for it to register. This is a game changer for competitive play, allowing for faster reactions and more nuanced control. You can even use analog input for smoother movements in games that support it, adding a whole new dimension to your gameplay. Beyond the switches, the rapid trigger mode is another impressive feature. It essentially allows for faster key presses and releases, giving you a speed advantage in fast-paced games. The Huntsman Mini Analog also boasts double-shot PBT keycaps, known for their durability and resistance to wear and tear. These keycaps feel great and will maintain their look even after extended use. The onboard memory is a welcome addition, allowing you to store up to 5 profiles directly on the keyboard. This is perfect for tournament play or switching between different game setups. The Chroma RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable, as you'd expect from Razer. The detachable USB-C cable adds to the portability of this already compact keyboard. The aluminum construction feels solid and premium, ensuring the keyboard can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. While the 60% layout might take some getting used to, especially if you're coming from a full-size keyboard, the compact size is a huge plus for those with limited desk space or who travel frequently. The Razer Synapse software allows for further customization of the analog switches, including sensitivity presets and double key mapping. Overall, the Razer Huntsman Mini Analog is a premium 60% keyboard that delivers on its promises of speed, control, and customization. It's a worthy investment for serious gamers looking for a competitive edge.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.